So guys, this is a very beautiful and touching story of the French author, and it has left a deep mark on the mind of the readers, and the author gave the aperçu in a very nice manner and outstanding manner. He has presented the story through only 3 characters. An incident of a family, how they have shattered, how they have ruined, or how this lady, particularly Matilda, she has ruined her youth, she has ruined her life. She used to lead a comfortable life. Whatever her husband, he used to earn, Mr. Loisel used to earn, because he was working as a clerk in education department. But that time Matilda, she was not satisfied with her life. She was expecting more and more, and she had to pay the cost of her greed. She had to pay the cost of her expectation. So this is the story, guys. Later on I will give you the theme or the critical appreciation of the story and what message through this story wants the author wants to convey to the readers. That also in my next lecture. But till then, guys, you note down some words from this chapter, 10 words from this chapter. Find out the meanings of these words, note it down in your copy and memorize this. First word, P-E-T-T-Y, petty. 2. Terrain, T-U-R-E-E-N, terrain. 3. Exquisite, E-Q-U-I-S-I-T-E, exquisite. 4. Elated, E-L-A-T-E-D, elated. 5. Intoxicated, I-N-T-O-X-I-C-A-T-E-D. 6. Salon, S-A-L-O-N. 7. Modest, M-O-D-E-S-T, modest. 8. Cloak, C-L-O-A-K. 9. Chaplet, C-H-A-P-L-E-T, chaplet. And the 10th one is crude, C for cat, C-R-U-D-E, crude. These are the 10 words. Guys, you search and find out the words, the meaning of these words, and note it down in your copy. When the school will reopen, I will check the meanings of these words. Now, students, you note down 5 questions on the basis of my lecture or teaching today. Question number 1. What was the profession of M. Loisel? L-O-I-S-E-L, M, capital M, full stop, Loisel. What was the profession of M. Loisel? Question number 2. Why Matilda was not satisfied with her married life? Why Matilda was not satisfied with her married life? Question 3. Why Matilda, the spelling Matilda, M-A-T-I-L-D-A, Matilda, why Matilda did not want to join the ball, B-A-L-L. Why Matilda did not want to join the ball? Question number 4. What was the cost of Matilda's new dress? What was the cost of Matilda's new dress? Question 5. Depict the mental state of Matilda. Depict the mental state of Matilda in the ball, that night. Ball means ballroom dance party. One word. It depicts the entire event. Ball means ballroom dance party. Depict the mental state of Matilda in the ball that night. Full stop. Continuation. At what time they returned home? At what time they returned home? So guys, answer these 5 questions. Very easy. If you heard my lecture, if you heard my teaching with full concentration, it will be very easy for you to answer all the 5 questions and find out the 10 words, 10 meanings of these words. Note it down in your copy. So this much for the day. More in my next lecture, next teaching. Till then, take care of yourself. Stay home. Stay safe. God bless you. Bye-bye.